The cat's out of the bag in Charleston. Word of Naomie Olindo and Whitney Sudler-Smith's hookup spread throughout the Southern Charm cast on the August 18 episode, and while nearly everyone was surprised, only one person was left upset. "God, that stinks. Going from me to you, Whitney? That's just not that fun." "The bro code rules are complicated at times, I understand that, but it's still my ex-girlfriend." "It's none of his f-king business, so we don't need to explain ourselves in any capacity."